you seen the last video, I was telling you how that yellow bike first gear is kind of messed up, so I figured I'm gonna tear it all down, do a full rebuild. Well, I got it going. Let's go check it out. Here we are, dude. Got all my parts out, got everything apart. Here's the engine and everything. So what ended up happening, whoever rebuilt this last time didn't put a couple shims back in the right places and stuff. So we got all that figured out. Everything seems good. We got a new piston here, all new gaskets, everything. Had to repair the case a little bit, but everything's good to go now. That's fixed up thanks to my buddy Adam. He hooked it up. So last night got a little anxious. I put the gear set in and put the crank in there, got that pressed down in there because there's just, I didn't want to do that on camera. I wanted to just make sure it was done perfect. But we're gonna do a little time-lapse video, and hopefully it don't take me too long and I don't look like too big of an idiot putting this thing together. So as you can see, yeah, that was pretty messy. By no means am I a professional when I'm doing this stuff, but I am somewhat mechanically inclined, and I think the motor will be fine. But no, it's not like I do the junk every day. But here she is. Boom. All put back together. Except for a few things, you know. I'm missing a couple spacers and some washers that I need to order. So. And I didn't even tighten down the clutch because same thing, the spacers got to go in there. I also got to get my plastic fittings for the power valve here. And then we're going to take this thing home. I got the stator on the bike. We're going to go see if we can put this thing in the bike today. And I don't think we'll start it up, but we can at least get it in the bike, you know, get some coolant in it, perhaps maybe some oil. We'll hold off on the oil, but yeah, here she is. Got a bunch of extra stuff, a few extra things left over. But we're gonna get cleaned up, get back to the home shop, and yeah, let's see if we can get this thing back in the bike, get a whole bike going today.